Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my chicken bacon ranch casserole. Spiced up with a little pepper jack cheese, this recipe has all the flavors we've come to know, all with less than 2 net carbs per serving. Let's get started. We'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You want to chop these into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Add some extra virgin olive oil, dried parsley, some dried dill, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and a little salt. Seal the bag, removing as much air as possible. Massage and mix the chicken until all the pieces are evenly coated, and set aside. Fry 6 slices of bacon on medium heat until nice and crispy. I cut my slices in half to fit the pan. Remove to a paper towel-lined plate, and when cooled, give a rough chop. Leave the rendered fat from the bacon in the skillet and add the chicken. Cook the chicken for about 7 to 10 minutes or until cooked through. Remove the chicken to another paper towel-lined plate to drain and set aside. To a separate skillet on medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add some minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds. Pour in some heavy cream and stir to cook for about another minute. Add some dried parsley, salt, ground black pepper, dried dill, a little onion flakes, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some dried chives. Mix with a whisk until thoroughly combined. Add some shredded Parmesan cheese and mix to incorporate. The next ingredient, I took a bit of a shortcut here, and I'll be using this pre-riced cauliflower. It just makes this recipe so much easier to make. Add it to the skillet and stir to mix. Add the chopped bacon and give another mix. Now add the cooked chicken to the skillet and give a final mix to coat. Add our mix to a 2-quart casserole dish. Top with some shredded pepper jack cheese, and place in the middle of a preheated 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Remove and let cool just a bit. Serve hot. Top with a little dried parsley, and enjoy. There you have it, folks. My chicken bacon ranch casserole. A delicious addition to your low-carb menu. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.